Alright, folks, welcome back. Welcome to IDYS. It is Zach. We playing Final Fantasy X, my friends. The 10th one. It actually wasn't. I don't know how their like numbering system works. Yeah, I got it, Waka. Okay. Oh, this is where you see the summoning happen. It's super cool.
Ow!
Wait till you see this.
I can't see anything.
Ready?
Okay.
That music is what plays in the the opening screen. I don't know if you guys recognize that. Yuna's weird. She's like quote unquote pretty, and by that I mean like she's a video game, but you get it. Like she's pretty, but so just kind of clueless. But the two-colored eyes thing, that's pretty cool. Like the green and blue. Whoa, what's going on? It's magical and cool. Ba 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 ba. Pow. Bird bro. Yes, welcome, bird bro. Gunmetal. My girlfriend bought a lipstick color called gunmetal, and she literally got it because every time we were in the store, when I would see it, I would go, gunmetal! You gotta get that gunmetal. I don't understand why Lulu has a skirt made of belts.
I had never seen
I
anything
mean, like,
like it in my life.
you know, fashion,
Sure,
whatever, I get
It was
it.
a little scary, but still.
It was a little
I
scary.
could feel a strange kind of gentleness coming from it.
Yeah, he's super cool. Also, he's super broken, especially in the early levels when you see it. What's his name? Bird. Where's the space? Can I do it? Oh, I got room. Bird, bro. Yeah. Welcome, bird,
I
bro.
remember that night,
Gunmetal.
we talked for the first time. I didn't know it then, but after that night, everything changed.
I went through some changes. My body was changing, and I didn't have anyone to talk to about it, because since I was 1,000 years from home, I couldn't talk to my parents or my school counselor.
Let me introduce you to the team. This guy here.
Yes, that's right. It has come to the point that I'm making puberty jokes. Also, there's nothing wrong with that. Talk to your family and friends. Not your friends all the time. They might know what they're talking about. This is so cringy. I cringe every time.
Hi guys.
Oh, what's up? Yeah.
So what's our goal?
To do our best.
I'm so angry.
Nope, we got a new goal now. Our new goal is victory. To win every match, defeat every opposing team, to bring the Crystal Cup back to our island. That's all we need to do to win. Easy, huh?
I just like who cheers to do our best. Do you know what I mean? It's one thing to be like, oh yeah, we want to do our best. It's great, but no one chants it, or no one like in unison calls it out. I don't know. I love this game though. I just want to get to the actual game part.
You heathen!
Yeah, that's what I get.
Stay away from the summoner! You're a bad man!
Oh, shut up.
Lady Yuna, be careful.
But it was really my fault to begin with.
Right, it's like, oh, so it's okay.
Thank you so much for your help earlier.
You're welcome.
I'm sorry about that. Wasn't I not supposed to? Guess I kind of overreacted.
Oh no.
Oh, it's just awkward because we're so attracted to each other. Stupid.
I saw that Aeon thing.
Yeah, the Aeons are awesome.
That's amazing.
Really?
They actually get to be really cool. No
Do you think
joke.
I can become High Summoner?
Your mom can become High Summoner. Nailed it.
play with me some more.
Dude, it's easy to become a high summoner. Stupid.
So, tomorrow then.
Yeah, tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
We're going on the same boat, aren't we?
Oh, really?
I guess we'll have to
We
share a
can
bunk,
talk
Mr.
more.
Hero.
Huh.
Thanks for solving the puzzle. Nope, gonna leave him hanging. Dang.
You can tell me all about Xanarkin.
Boom.
She's cute, yeah?
See, this is the hard thing, because, like, they have this weird, not like relationship meter thing, but it's like, I don't know. Either way, I think the first time I played this ever, I was like, yeah, because I was so into you, but like, eh.
Then we're cool.
Hey, but what if she, like, comes on to me?
That's not going to happen.
Dang. Did you hear what he said about your mom, though? Jeez. Alright, what are we doing? Walk up. Let me go sleep. Walk up. Walk up. Yeah. Yeah. That's how he says yeah. Alright. Can we get to some real gameplay? Whoa, hey, whoa. Look, dude. Pants, please. Or blanket or something. Oh, dude. Kids show. Kids show. It's not a kid show. Family friendly, whatever. They're back in his dreams. He's got some daddy issues. By the way, I'm controlling this right now. This is the whole thing right now.
Where's that boat?
Everyone will find us if it doesn't come soon.
What do you mean everyone will find us?
You really sure this is okay?
I just...
Would you take me to Xanarkin?
What? But...
Hey,
Oh, here comes Riku. He's just
you
jogging
said
away.
you'd go with me.
Oh, hey,
I thought Waka told you not to get any ideas.
He did.
Dang.
Yeah, so you're coming with me.
Hey, stop dreaming! You with a woman? You can't even catch a ball!
Dang.
Oh, what's
Yo,
the
dad
matter?
just said, dude,
Gonna cry
you can't even
again,
get no
cry.
girls. You ain't got
That's the only
no
thing you're
game.
good for. Huh? What'd you say?
You have to speak loudly.
I hate you.
Dang.
That's the spirit.
This is...
You can do it.
Why are we encouraging him to hate his father? I really want to know the backstory behind him and Jack. I need to know. Okay, cool. Wow.
Okay, dead.
Oh, jeez. I forgot about this part. Ooh, the emotions. The feels.
Does look a lot like Chapu. I was surprised too, the first time I saw him.
Oh, man. Oh.
But no matter what he looks like, he isn't Chapu. You shouldn't have brought him here in the first place.
Yeah, but he needed our help.
Excuses again?
Yeah, but
That's it. No more.
Ugh.
Enough, Waka.
Jeez. Oh, Lulu, you cold-hearted. Ugh. But she got that sass going on, and sass is kind of a cutie thing. Oh, man. The feels. Great. Awesome animation.
my little brother, Chapu,
Yeah.
looked like you.
Jeez.
Dead?
Yeah, he's super dead.
He was with the Crusaders when they fought Sin last year. He didn't make it. I first heard on the day of the tournament.
Oh, so that's why.
I became a guardian to fight Sin, yeah?
Revenge, then?
That was the idea.
Yeah, see, that's the weird thing. It's like,
I'm worried about
everyone's
Sin
always
getting
like,
out of
oh,
my
revenge
my
is so
brother.
bad.
Well,
But like in this
after the
situation,
next
it's not
tournament, I'm a
revenge.
guardian
Sin is
full-time.
legitimately like out killing people.
I know it kind of
Like,
looks
yes,
like I'm
go kill it.
using
God,
you,
the family show.
but I'm not.
Jeez, man.
Don't worry. I mean, I owe you a lot.
You do. Like,
You really helped me out, you know? What I mean is... Thanks, Waka.
Yeah, like, legit.
Stop. You're embarrassing me.
Yeah, like, legit. You had nothing. You had literally nothing. And he gave you, like, a place to stay and food and whatever. Oh, look, we're sleeping, obviously. Alright. Well, I am going to run on over to the save point, and we'll see you in the next episode of IDYS. Deuces, all my friends!